Hello and welcome to the Iowa Land Records e-submission service training series. In this segment you will learn how to submit multiple documents to the same county at the same time within a single group or container. This is a technique that can be a big time saver if you need to submit many unrelated documents to the same county. It is an absolute necessity in a situation where you need to submit related documents to the same county, and the sequence of recording is important. Enter your user ID and password at the eSubmission website welcome page. There are several ways to add documents to a group or container. You can add documents to a group at any time up to the point where you have submitted the group to the county recorder. Select the Login button to continue. Let's get started. Select the Add Group button. For this demonstration we have created a group called Adding Documents Demo. Creating a group or container is your first step when preparing to submit documents to a county. Adair County will be selected as the recipient of the group. Select the Create button to finish creating the group. After the group is created, select the Add Document button to attach the first document to the group. As always, you are encouraged to use the short form when attaching new documents to a group. Enter the minimum required information for a document. In this example we are attaching a general document type called Other. The date of the instrument is July 1, 2015. The party name is Mary Smith. Attach a PDF document to the form. The final step on the short form is to select the Save button. After saving the short form you will land on the Review tab. Be sure to review the recording fee amounts displayed on this tab. Notice the decision point with the Yes and No radio buttons adjacent to the heading More Documents. If you have additional documents to add to the group or container, choose the Yes radio button. Then select the Submit button. This action will tell the ILR e-submission service that you wish to add more documents to the group. Your work will be saved, and you will be directed back to a blank short form to enter the basic information about your next document. Notice the confirmation showing that the previous document was successfully added to the group. For this demonstration the document type Power of Attorney has been selected. The date of instrument is July 1, 2014. The party name is Mary Smith. Attach the next PDF document. Save the short form. Once again you will be asked to specify whether you wish to add more documents to the group. For this portion of the demonstration the No Radio button is chosen. Once again we will select the Submit button to save our work. This time you will be directed back to the group view. Notice in this group view that the two documents attached to the group are displayed in a table, and the submission count is now 2. From the group view, you can access each document for further editing. You can add more documents to the group by simply selecting the Add Document button again. After selecting the Add Document button you will again be directed to the short form. For this portion of the demonstration the document type, Affidavit Non-Transfer, is selected. The instrument date is July 1, 2015. The party is Mary Smith. Another PDF document is attached. For this portion of this demonstration, the No Radio button is again chosen, and the Submit button is selected to save our work. As previously demonstrated, you will be directed back to the group view. Now there are 3 documents in the group table, and the submission count is 3. The Add Document button is available should you wish to attach additional documents. Your work is saved, even if you leave the group, return to the eSubmission homepage, or sign out of the eSubmission service. For this example, the Home Navigation button is selected to return to your eSubmission homepage. Notice that the Adding Documents demo group is visible. To continue working on this group, select the Edit Group button, the icon with the pencil. You are returned to the group or container view. The 3 documents previously attached to the group are visible, and you can edit any of the documents. The Add Document button also remains active. Once more, by selecting Add Document, you will be directed to the short form. For this portion of this demonstration, the document type, Groundwater Hazard Statement, has been selected. The instrument date is July 1, 2015. The party is Mary Smith. Another PDF document is attached. On the Review tab, the No Radio button is again chosen. The Submit button is selected to save your work. You are again directed back to the group view. Now there are 4 documents in the group table, and the submission count is 4. If there are no more documents to add to the group, select the Submit Group button to send the virtual container of documents to the county recorder for action. Let's review the key points of this demonstration. After creating a group, add the first document using the short form. Add more documents to the group by answering yes to more documents on the Review tab. A new blank short form will be presented for the next document. If you leave the workflow, you can still add more documents to the group by selecting the Add Document button from within the Group tab, which lists the documents in a table. The eSubmission service saves your work, and you can edit and add more documents to a group at any time. Log into eSubmission, edit a group by selecting the pencil icon associated with the group, and then select the Add Document button. New documents can be added to a group, and documents within a group can be edited until the Submit Group button is selected. By selecting Submit Group, you are indicating that you have finished editing the group, and the group will be presented to the county recorder. Thank you for watching this Iowa Land Records training program. Search for the handle at Iowa Land Records and follow us on Twitter.